Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can draw a dash line in PowerPoint like this one. This is pretty simple and easy. So let's get started. First, you need to click on the insert and click on the shape. And under the line, you need to pick the straight line. And now hold down the shift key and draw the line. So once the line is selected, you will see shape format on the top ribbon, and here is the shape stripe. You can use some built-in formats from here. It's up to you. If you want to increase the width of the line, go to the shape outline and click on the weight, and you can increase for 1 by half pt, 6 pt, whatever your choice is. I'll be selecting for 1 half pt. Again, go to the shape outline and go to the weight and select on more lines. On the right side, you can change the color of the line. This is the yellow and this is the below. And here is the dash type. You can change it to the choice of your dash. So this is much pretty and easy. You can increase or decrease the transparency from over here. You can also reduce the width from here or increase the width. So you can move this dash line anywhere on the slide. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can draw a dash line in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.